In the fast-paced world of banking and finance, data is king. But raw data is just the beginning. It's the insights that truly matter. Enter Power BI, Microsoft's powerful data visualization tool that is transforming the banking and finance industry. From real-time data integration to in-depth analytics, Power BI is empowering financial institutions too. 67% of financial firms using Power BI see a 25% boost in efficiency. Power BI helps to identify trends, mitigate risks, and seize new opportunities. It ensures your data is secure and compliant. Customer-centric banking is the future. With Power BI, financial institutions can create personalized experiences, enhancing customer loyalty and driving growth. Transform your financial data into strategic assets with Power BI. Contact us today to learn how we can help you harness the power of your data.